This is why I'm going all in on Instagram threads. Now, if you're joining me for the first time, welcome aboard. My name is Christian. Those of you who have been around for a while, you'll know that one of my main objectives with this channel is to get monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, which requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in the previous 90 days. But I'm not concerned with the shorts views because I have decided a long while back that I will no longer be posting shorts on this channel at all. Okay, so we're more focused on the watch hours. Now, I am by no way, shape, or means any kind of YouTube expert, right? I'm here trying to figure it out like everybody else that jumps on this platform that is brand new and trying to learn how to grow. And one of the things that I have come to learn, at least has been mentioned several times by people who are a lot more experienced and have a lot more authority than myself when it comes to the subject of YouTube, is that it's important to have a niche, okay? For the most part, I've had one which is more on the broader side of things, right? I've basically generally been looking to share content that's in relation to my journey to financial independence, which means I'm covering several different aspects, right? Different things and all the different things that I'm doing to, eventually become financially independent, right? And by financial independence, all we're simply looking to do is just get to the point where we're generating enough in passive income to cover our living expenses. So that by no means implies that I'm going to be like living large, fancy, and anything, just enough to cover living expenses. So if your living expenses are just $2,000 a month, if you're earning enough passive income to make $2,000 a month passively, you are essentially by definition, or at least by the definition that I just gave you, financially independent. Okay? So having a niche, right, is actually, as I've come to learn, is important, and is one of the things that early on will help you to grow, right, a little bit faster than, say, maybe if you take on a broader approach whereby you don't necessarily have a niche, right? And in my case, I have had a niche, but I've gone pretty broad with it. Like I said, basically documenting my journey of financial independence, and I'm covering several different topics, right? From affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online business as a whole, personal development, right? Self-improvement, all those type things, right? And the reason I've decided to go all in on Instagram threads, and for the time being, right, just maybe niche down a little bit more, is because I've been looking at my analytics, which I'm going to show you in just a little bit, right? And I've seen that my best performing video to date, right, all time, is on the topic of threads. Now, I didn't necessarily set out to talk about, Instagram, growing on Instagram threads per se and making money with it. However, it is a sub niche, right, of the broader niche that I was, looking to be in, right? I talk a lot about selling digital products, right? And, growth on Instagram threads and using it as a platform to sell digital products is very specific, very niche, and maybe has a lot less competition. So if I create enough content, learn the platform and all that types of, create enough content as I learn even more about the platform, right? It gives me the opportunity to maybe stand out as as a go-to place, right, to learn more about Instagram threads, since there's not as much content or competition, I would say, in that space. Okay, and if you're watching this, listening to this, that's something you can go for as well, right? So let's go to my analytics and let me show you something here, okay? I posted a bunch of different things covering various different topics, and right now, if you look, my best performing video, whether it comes to by the number of views, and by the way, look, this is lifetime, okay? I created this channel May 1st, 2023, and this is going all the way up until the end of the day yesterday, right? So my best performing video all time of all 190 plus videos that I've created thus far is one that sits at 1,524 views, and it is one of only 2 videos that I have that is high, that has crossed 1,000 views. Okay, so it is the best performing video by views. It is also the best performing video by watch time, and it is also the best performing video. I'm scrolling down like that just to double check, right? It is also the best performing video by the number of subscribers that I've gained. Okay, and not too long ago I posted a video about where I talked about not wanting to just have subscribers for the sake of having subscribers, right? Which would eventually become dormant subscribers that don't engage, and that comes about by creating videos where you're just only following trends, right? Because when people subscribe to your channel, when they are subscribing because they're thinking that you're going to be producing content around that particular video, that calls them to subscribe. And by far, my best performing video right now is on the topic of Instagram Threads. Okay, Threads, which is like a branch of Instagram, so to speak, right? And I've had 40 people subscribe from just that one video. So clearly there is, my analytics is telling me the story, right? There is a market there, so to speak, market, right? There is some kind of interest, right? At least from like what I'm learning from the viewers of the content that I've been putting out here on YouTube. There is clearly some interest there, and so it is in my best interest probably to create more videos around that content. Is this going to work? For sure, I don't know, but I'm about to find out. At least that's what the experts have been saying, right? And I don't know why I did that in quotation marks, but I guess I do know why I did that. I suppose I did that because, the experts are the ones that give all the great advice and tell you what's right, and it doesn't necessarily always pan out. That's why I guess I was saying that. But anyway, why I was doing that. But one of the things that has been said, right, is to focus on, a specific niche. I know there've been a lot of people creating videos talking about the fact that they don't want to niche down, and you don't have to niche down, which I suppose you don't have to, right? You can still grow without doing all that. It's just a matter of, like, maybe you might not grow as quickly, maybe you might, I don't know. But bottom line is, I'm going to start creating a little bit more content around the topic of threads, okay? And one of the other things, and this goes well with one of the things that I talk about a lot on this channel, which is selling digital products, okay? Selling digital products, and whether it's creating your own products and then selling them, right? Creating your own digital product, whether it's a PDF, a course, whatever the case may be, coach, you create your own, sell your own, or sell other people's as an affiliate and earn a commission for the sales that you generate, okay? And that is especially good for beginners who don't want to go through the trouble of having to create their own products, right? Or especially if you feel like you don't have any expertise that is worthy of creating a digital product, right? That could provide value to others, right? But that is something that I believe everybody has something that they have to offer. So even because a lot of times people get held back from doing this stuff because they think they have to have like something really elaborate and something really grandiose in order to make money with it. It could be the simplest thing, right? The simplest skill, the simplest problem that you're solving, right? Others out there have the same, and you can share your experience showing how you were able to overcome that problem, put it in a simple PDF and sell it, okay? Now, I've come across in the process of learning about a little bit more about threads. I've had, there's a course that I've come across, right? I decided to purchase a course from somebody that that clearly knew what they were talking about, because they built an entire, 5-figure, probably at this point a 6-figure business on the back. Either way, it's impressive, right? Whether it's 5 figures or 6 figures is besides the point. But they built an entire business on the back of. Actually, I know 2 people. One for sure has built a 6-figure business off of it, right? The other, if they've not already crossed 6 figures, they're probably at 5 figures. So I decided. In fact, I purchased both of those courses. Okay, did I? Yeah, I did. And golden information. Okay. And one of the courses that I purchased actually has an affiliate opportunity. So here I am. I'm basically, I guess, practicing what I preach here in this particular case, right? I have, the particular course that I purchased, you can get access to it as well. Okay. And that's going to be the first link in the description below this video. It has an affiliate opportunity, right? So as an affiliate, you get to make 80% of the commissions, right? 80% in commissions of the sale of each product, right? So it's basically a full-blown course and PDF. This course materials that comes with a community as well of people who are all interested in learning how to grow on threads and make sales on threads. And this is why this is such a really good, what better place to make money selling digital products on the topic of growing on threads than on threads itself, where you can capture a wide range of people who are going to be interested in something like that, not just digital marketers or affiliate marketers or people who want to start an online business, whatever the case may be, right? These could be people in all kinds of different industries, all different places, who have an account and they just want to grow a bigger social media following on threads, right? A product like that would appeal to them, right? It could appeal to just about anybody, okay? So, and what better place to promote a product like that than threads itself, okay? So if you want to learn how to start making money using using threads, you definitely would want to jump on a product like this, right? So once you purchase the product, you will also have the opportunity to promote it as an affiliate yourself, okay? Now, at the time of this recording, it is currently going for $47, but the price is going to be going up, I believe, on the 20th of February. Yeah, so in 3 days, it's going to be going up to $67, right? As per the creator of the product, right? This is not false scarcity. This is definitely, this is real. So if you want to take advantage of this, understand that you'll be saving $20 if you purchase it right now, okay? Or before the 20th, I believe. I don't know if it's at 10 a.m., but before the 20th rolls around, if you ever thought about getting on Instagram threads and getting to learn, how to use the platform, make sales from it through a course or whatever the case may be, now would be the time to get that, because, you'll be paying more, right? You'll be paying 50% more. Well, no, more than it's a little, not quite 50%, right? But you'll be paying significantly more come the 20th than if you decided to get it right now, okay? So it is a topic that I've seen. I'm gonna hone in on that, right? And build from there, right? So use that as a place to capture a lot of my, quite an audience, and then start going that way. Whether this works or not, I don't know, but it's definitely something that I'm gonna go for as I experiment with all the different things that, just as I have been experimenting on my YouTube channel, right? So I'm going to go, start producing a lot more content with regards to making money with Instagram threads, growing on Instagram threads, and we'll take it from there. One of the other reasons why I wanted to go all in on stuff like that, I've noticed that, so this is my current Instagram threads account, right? I started from pretty much just almost zero, right? And I've grown to, without doing as much as I should have been doing. Like, if I had continued posting, I would have crossed 100 followers by now, which is what you need in order to be able to see, like, your sales analytics and, well, not sales analytics, to see, like, your dashboard or your analytics, basically, on threads. So I'm gonna start doing that, right? This is my my Threads profile, and the one thing that I noticed ever since I started posting on Threads is that my Instagram account has been growing, right? So like I don't post on Instagram that much at all, but I'm about to start doing that a little bit more. I've noticed that I've started gaining more followers on Instagram without even posting on Instagram. Okay. So that's another reason for me to, like jump on Threads and like expand my reach, get more eyeballs on products to possibly generate more sales and that type of stuff, right? So that's essentially it in a nutshell. So, but this is, again, I've already purchased that product, so I know it's a good product. I'm happy to to promote it as well, because I know it will actually help people, right? There is a community in there, so if you do decide to jump on board, you will have access to that community and getting to learn from all kinds of people, including creators, see people's results, brainstorm in there, all that type of stuff. I've always said one of the things that really helps when it comes to all this stuff that we do online is to be around people who are trying to achieve the same thing that you're doing, okay? Because it helps, especially when you see people who are ahead of you already doing what you're trying to achieve, and then there are people that are like your peers on the same level as you. You can work together, try to help each other, hold each other accountable, grow and grow together. And then of course there are going to be people who are behind you as well, and those are the people that you want to be looking to mentor or help them come up. Don't look at it as a burden. If you can teach somebody else, you're actually getting better or something, better at that thing yourself. Like true mastery of something is when not only are you able to do well with it, but when you can teach other people how to do well with it, right? So those are all things to consider, okay? But yeah, so if you decide you want to give this a shot, or if you want to learn how to start, generating more sales, the good thing about this is that you can do this. It's a way to start driving more traffic to whatever it is that you want. I could use this to help grow my YouTube channel if I wanted to, right? But if you want a way to start generating traffic and sales without creating videos, right? Without putting your face on camera and creating videos, I know that is quite a sticking point, hurdle for so many people who just don't want to create videos. Or if they do want to create videos, they want to do it facelessly because they just don't want their faces on camera. Well, this is right now one of the hottest ways now to start generating traffic without creating videos, because it's a newer platform, and as tends to be the case with most newer platforms, you will get a lot more exposure, a lot more reach before everybody catches on and it starts getting crowded, so to speak. Okay, so that's where we are. That's pretty much why I've decided to go all in on Threads, and of course, as always, I will be sharing how things are looking, right? What kind of traction I'm gaining as a result of it, right? Whether it's worthwhile, that type of stuff. So if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comments section below. I will be sure to answer. And if you want to jump on board, go ahead and do so before the 20th, so that you can take advantage of the current discount that's being run essentially on the product. Okay, it's called the Threads to Millions, by the way. That's the name of the product. So it's going to be the first link in the description below. Check it out, see what you think, and if you decide to come on board, I will see you on the inside, in the private community. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.